In this question, you're given that gx is cos x square, fx is root x. Alpha, beta are the roots of 18x square minus 9 pi x plus pi square is equal to 0. What is the area bounded by GOF of x from alpha to beta between x-axis? So here it's effectively a very straightforward equation. G of x, f of x is given. What is GOF of x? That's nothing but G of fx, that is G of root x. That is cos of root x whole square is nothing but cos x. GOF x is nothing but cos x. And alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. This is a very simple quadratic equation. You can factorize this very easily. So 18x square. So the product is 18 pi square, the sum is 9 pi. So you can split it into 6 pi and 3 pi. 8x square minus 6 pi x minus 3 pi x plus pi square is equal to 0. So 6x times 3x minus pi times 3x minus pi is equal to 0. So 3x minus pi times 6x minus pi is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to pi by 3 pi by 6. That means the roots of this equation are pi by 3 and pi by 6. So effectively what you need to do is, you need to find the area bounded by cos x and x-axis between pi by 3 and pi by 6. That is nothing but integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 cos x dx is minus sin x from pi by 6 to pi by 3. That is minus of, so cos x integration is plus sin x, sorry. So sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. It's half of root 3 minus 1 is the answer. Half of root 3 minus 1. So this will be the required answer to this question. Thank you.